Our reporter sent us these ground reports from several parts of the country, including Mumbai, Bengaluru. Take a look.
As COVID cases are rising in Mumbai and Maharashtra, the state could see further tightening of the rules and regulations. The seriousness of the entire issue can be understood by the fact that late last night, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, had an urgent meeting with the various COVID experts, and now it is expected that the state government will roll out further rules and regulations. With Christmas and New Year's around the corner, many people have been coming to Mumbai, and the health experts have raised a lot of concern. Mumbai recorded more than 600 COVID cases yesterday. The count of COVID cases in Maharashtra was more than 1,000. As far as Omicron scare is concerned, Maharashtra recorded more than 20 cases. In fact, the count of Omicron cases in Mumbai is now 35. Considering all these aspects, and with Christmas and New Year's being around the corner, it is expected that the state government is now going to come out with more regulations and guidelines. As it is, as far as the financial capital is concerned, Section 144 has been imposed till the midnight of 31st of December. But then what's worrying is the fact that COVID experts maintain that by next year, January and February, there could be a steep rise in the cases as well. Hence, more tightening of rules and regulations. The Aam Janata has already been warned that if they do not abide by rules and regulations, then action will be taken not just under Disaster Management Act, but also under the various section of the IPC. With camera person Raju Inamdar, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
As of now, 2 people have tested positive for the Omicron variant of the coronavirus in West Bengal. And apart from that, a total of 560 new cases were reported as of Thursday. Apart from this, the total number of cases reported so far stand at more than 16 lakh cases. The West Bengal government is keeping a close eye on people, especially international passengers who are coming in. But all passengers coming in from international flights are being tested. Apart from that, as far as the Christmas and New Year season is concerned, the restrictions as far as the night curfew is concerned, that has been lifted by the West Bengal government. But after the New Year's, there will be restrictions that are likely to be in place. With camera person Kiranjit Das, Prema Rajaraman, Kolkata for India Today.
Karnataka Health Minister K. Sudhakar tweeted on Thursday that around 12 new Omicron cases have been detected in the state. Out of the 12 cases, 10 cases are from Bengaluru. Now, with New Year's celebrations coming up, the state government has issued fresh restrictions in place to ensure to curb Omicron and COVID-19 cases in the state. With video journalist Zamir, this is Karthik for India Today.
A little over a month after Madhya Pradesh lifted all curbs imposed to contain corona, night curfew is back in Madhya Pradesh. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Thursday, while making the announcement, while saying that night curfew is back from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m., said that the step has been taken as a precautionary measure. There is no case of Omicron reported from the state yet, but on Thursday, 30 new cases of corona were reported. The Chief Minister said that there are neighboring states where Omicron has been reported and people do cross state boundaries and people come from across the state, so the step has been taken as a precautionary measure. The state government on November 17 had lifted all the curbs that had been imposed to contain corona at that time. The number of corona cases in the state was 78. There was no name of Omicron at that time. And now, when night curfew has been imposed once again, the number of corona cases in the state is 191, 30 on Thursday. But there is no case of Omicron yet across the state. With Vijay Irshad Khan in Bhopal, Hemant Sharma for India Today.
The tally of the number of Omicron cases in the state of Tamil Nadu has now reached 34. On December 23, the Health Secretary of the state, Ma Subramaniam, had announced that 33 more samples have been tested positive for Omicron variant, and now 23 more samples are still awaited results for. And it's seen that the state has requested that more number of people coming from international travels to airports be tested for the COVID-19 and also for Omicron variant. They've been saying that people need to be more vigilant, and also that most of the people who have tested so far are all stable. The only symptoms are very mild of giddiness and cough, and the health department has been reiterating that people should not panic but should get vaccinated. And we are here at the Department of Public Health, where 24/7 vaccination is on, and people have been urged to go forward and get their doses done. And this is a way in which people can fight COVID-19. So far, of the 34 people tested positive, two children are the only people who have not been vaccinated, but all others have been. So the health department has also been reiterating that getting vaccinated will definitely help fighting this kind of a virus. From Chennai, this is Akshay Anand for India Today.